Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To understand.
Rozumět.
To speak.
Mluvit.
To listen.
Poslouchat.
To play.
Hrát.
To start.
Začínat.
To show.
Ukazovat.
To live.
Žít.
To like.
Mít rád.
To love.
Milovat.
To change.
Měnit.
To meet.
Setkat se.
To learn.
Učit se.
To believe.
Věřit.
To run.
Běžet.
To help.
Pomáhat.
To watch.
Dívat se.
To wait.
Čekat.
To remember.
Pamatovat si.
To stay.
Zůstávat.
To buy.
Kupovat.
To sell.
Prodávat.
To pay.
Platit.
To lose.
Ztrácet.
To win.
Vyhrávat.
To create.
Vytvářet.
Quiz time.
Mluvit. Mluvit. Kupovat. Kupovat. Hrát. Hrát. Milovat. Milovat. Učit se. Učit se. Rozumět. Rozumět.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.